So today I'm going to show you how to add money to your OnePay account. Now we actually have the app right over here that we're going to go ahead and load up here for us. And this is going to take us to our home page. You can see that is highlighted here towards the very bottom. And towards the center of the screen, you're going to see where it says cash, and there is a section here that says add money. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and choose how much we want to add in here. So we're going to go ahead and do $5 for our example today, and we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to show you which different options you can add money from, and there are some minimums that you need to use with Apple Pay or a debit card, but with a bank account, you can be as low as $5. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to add your bank account here. So you can click on the word bank account or the right-hand arrow. Now that's going to go ahead and load up Plaid, which is a service that actually links up your bank accounts instantaneously for quick verification. Now, because we've used Plaid in the past, we actually have a quick access to go ahead and sign in. If you've never used Plaid before, what it's going to do for you is it's going to have you choose your bank, and I'll show you how that's going to look like. Now, if you have used Plaid before, all you have to do is sign in with your phone number, and then it should have all of your accounts saved for the banks that you have connected. If by chance you are new to Plaid or haven't had the account that you are looking for on file, you can go ahead here towards the bottom and click on add new account. And then from here, all you got to do is find the bank that you currently use, or you can go ahead and search for it here at the very top. And then it's going to ask for your username and your password, just like you would be logging in real time. It is a safe platform to go ahead and have this connection go through for you. And again, it will help it instantaneously be connected. Now, once you go ahead and sign into the account, all you got to do is highlight the account you want to go ahead and have that money pulled in from, and then we're going to get to go ahead and confirm this account. Now, that's going to take us back over here to our add money section, and all we got to do is click on continue once again. And then right over here, you can see that our bank account is now on file. You can see the name of the bank and then how much money you actually have in that account in real time. So you can go ahead and tap on this right over here, and you're going to see the transfer $5 for our example here is now highlighted for us. We're going to go ahead and tap on this. You get a little checkbox right over there, and then our transfer is now getting started. If you want to go a little bit quicker, you can go ahead and go through Apple Pay or a debit card, remembering that it is a $25 minimum to have that transfer go through, and it will be a little bit faster for you. Now we have more to show you when it comes to using your account, so check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.